If 5 raised to power a is equal to 2 raised to power b is equal to 1000, what is the value of ab divided by a plus b? We have the given equation: 5 raised to power a is equal to 2 raised to power b is equal to 1000. Then 5 raised to power a is equal to 1000. Let's call this equation 1. Then we have 2 raised to power b is equal to 1000. Let's call this equation 2. Now, let's multiply the exponent of this equation 1 by 1 divided by a. Or let's multiply the exponent of both sides from equation 1 by 1 divided by a, and also do the same thing for the equation 2, that is 2 raised to power b multiplied by 1 divided by b, and this 1000 multiplied by 1 divided by b. Let's start with this equation 1. We have 5 raised to power a multiplied by 1 divided by a is equal to 1000. This is raised to power 1 multiplied by 1 divided by a. Then this one we cancel this. We have 5 is equal to 1000 raised to power 1 divided by a. Let's call this equation 3. Then also from the second equation, equation 2, we multiply the exponents of both sides by 1 divided by b. That is, we have 2 raised to power b multiplied by 1 divided by b is equal to 1000 raised to power 1 multiplied by 1 divided by b. Then this one will cancel this. We have 2 is equal to 1000 raised to power 1 divided by b. Now let's call this equation 4. What do we do next? Let's multiply equation 3 and 4 together. Then we have 5 multiplied by 2 is equal to 1000 raised to power 1 over a multiplied by 1000 raised to power 1 over b. And remember that if you have a raised to power n multiplied by a raised to power m is same thing as a raised to power n plus m, then this right hand side become 1000 raised to power 1 over a plus 1 over b, and the left hand side become 5 times 2, that is 10. Then we have 10 is equal to 1000. Let's find the LCM. LCM is AB divided, this is A in AB, we have B times 1, that is B, plus B in AB remain A, then times 1, that is A. So we have 10 is equal to 1000 raised to power AB and B plus A divided by AB. AB divided by A plus B. You know, we don't know the value. That is what we are looking for. Now, let's multiply the exponent of both sides by AB divided by A plus B. Then we have 10 raised to power AB divided by A plus B is equal to 1000 raised to power b plus a divided by ab, then multiply by ab divided by a plus b. And this one will cancel this, and this one will cancel this. From here, we have 10 raised to power ab divided by a plus b is equal to 1000. And recall that 1000 is equal to 10 raised to power 3. Then that is 10 times 10 times 10. That will be 1000. Therefore, we have 10 raised to power ab divided by a plus b is equal to 10 raised to power 3. Now they have the same base. This one will cancel this. Then we have ab divided by a plus b is equal to 3. That is our final answer.